Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for anyone dealing with clogged drains, the 50-foot sewer jetter designed for gas pressure washers. We found this product online and added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this 50-foot sewer jetter? Simply put, it's a powerful cleaning tool that connects to your gas pressure washer, allowing you to effectively unclog a variety of indoor and outdoor drains. This product is specifically designed for gas pressure washers rated between 2.0 to 4.0 gallons per minute and up to 4,200 psi, making it a robust solution for tackling even the toughest clogs. One of the standout features of this sewer jetter is its slim and strong design. The 50-foot flexible steel braid hose is engineered to navigate through pipes with ease, ensuring you can reach deep into your plumbing system. Unlike traditional electric drain snakes or plumber's augers, this tool is equipped to handle a wide range of clogs, including grease, sewage, sanitary paper, food residue, and even iron ochre. What really sets this sewer jetter apart is its powerful nozzle. This nozzle is approximately 70% more compact than generic poly hose nozzles, which significantly enhances its cornering ability and penetration power. It features 3 back jets that not only push the jetter through the drain but also scrub the sides of dirty pipes, effectively flushing out debris. The smaller front jet is designed to penetrate stubborn clogs, making it ideal for those particularly challenging blockages. Now, let's talk about who this product is suitable for. If you're a homeowner looking to save money on plumbing bills or someone who enjoys DIY home maintenance, this sewer jetter is perfect for you. It's also a great tool for property managers or small business owners who need to keep their plumbing systems in top shape without relying on professional plumbers every time there's a clog. In practical use, you can expect this sewer jetter to pull itself deep into slow drains, breaking apart clogs and scrubbing greasy sludge off the sides of pipes. Whether you're dealing with a kitchen sink that's draining slowly or an outdoor drain that hasn't been cleared in years, this jetter can tackle it all. It's also a fantastic option for cleaning out downspouts, gutters, and even the main sewer line, providing a thorough clean that's hard to achieve with traditional methods. What's more, the sewer jetter comes fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. Included in the package is the 50-foot drain cleaning hose, a stainless steel nozzle, a standard M22 adapter compatible with most gas pressure washers, a 1/4 inch quick connect twist plug adapter, a protective vinyl cap, a nozzle cleaning tool, and reusable waterproof bundle ties. Plus, you'll find instructions to help you get started quickly and easily. In summary, the 50-foot sewer jetter for gas pressure washers is a powerful and effective tool for anyone looking to tackle clogs in their plumbing system. With its impressive features and practical applications, it's a game changer for homeowners and professionals alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped,